If you're looking for a quick, fast fold, travel system capable stroller, then these two strollers are the ones for you. This is the Nuna TRVL LX competing against the Nuna TRIV Next. The TRIV Next has a clear advantage of having a reversible seat. And for travel system, you could remove the seat and attach the ring adapter. The TRVL LX has an easy recline and ratcheting seating system with a front enclosure to make it a little cocoon area like a bassinet. No need for an adapter for the car seat. The car seat will just drop right in, and it is a 1-second fold on the TRVL LX to collapse it down. On the TRIV Next, with the ring adapter, all I have to do is pull on the center strap, and when I remove the ring adapter and put the seat in it, I could fold it by flipping the seat forward, pressing the button, and pulling the strap also. TRVL LX is definitely going to be lighter at 15.5 pounds. TRIV Next is going to be a little heavier at around 19.5 pounds. Both travel system capable, both able to go up and down stairs very easily. If you have any questions or want to compare them, please leave it below.